Hey guys, it's Alexandria here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're serving up some serious fall vibes. We've got our dark brownish burgundy smoky eye with our reddish orange burgundy lip. So stay tuned if you're interested in checking out how I achieve this soft glam fall look. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So the palette that I'm using today is this Morphe palette, the 35N palette. There's a lot of neutral shades in there which are perfect for the fall time. So first I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to take a fluffy brush. This one is from It's Cosmetics, and apply that shade all over my crease. Next, I'm going to deepen up the crease, and I'm going to use this color right here, like a burgundy-ish color. Okay, so now I've deepened my crease, and I'm just going to go in with a fluffy brush, go back into that transition color, and then blend it out. I kind of think I want to make this a little bit brighter. I use the color Sienna and put that in the crease as well. Then I'm going to go back into the Morphe palette, and I am going to apply this shade down here all over my lid. Next, I'm going to go in using the other side of this flat brush, and I'm going to go into this dark brown color and place that on top, focusing it on the center of my lid. I'm going to go back into my soft glam palette, and I'm going to go back into that sienna color with a fluffy brush and blend everything out. Alright, so now that I've got that blended out, that's pretty much it for the eyes. What I'm going to do is go ahead and jump into my foundation. I'm going to wipe away all the fallout underneath my eyes and then go into my foundation. As usual, I'm mixing the Maybelline Superstay in Tofee with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in Classic Tan. And I'm going to pull my hair back with this cute little headband. A lot of times the perimeter of my face is a lot darker, especially my forehead. So sometimes I do go in with a teensy bit of 338 Spicy Brown in the Maybelline Fit Me, just to make sure I'm not whiting myself out too much. So I like to go around my forehead a lot because my forehead's pretty dark. And then I go around the perimeter of my face. Okay, now that my foundation is on, the eyes are really starting to pop, and I'm loving how it's turning out so far. So next I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the color Caramel. I'm just going to blend everything out with my beauty blender. Now that I have put on my concealer, I'm going to bake, and I'm using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder in the Buttercup Light version. Never fails. I always get this powder all over my clothes. Thank goodness it's like 9 o'clock at night and I'm not going anywhere. I'm literally gonna get right in the shower as soon as I'm done recording. Wipe all of this off. Things I do for the YouTube life. I'm going to keep working on the rest of my face, but I'm going to prime some lashes first with glue. So I'm using these AOA Studio lashes. These are in the style Amelia, and they're really quite glamorous. So I'm going to go ahead and get these ready. Okay, so next I'm going to bronze my face, and I'm using this Kleancolor Tan Raw bronzer, which I've had for freaking forever. Alright, next I'm going to apply blush. I'm going to be using the Saharan blush palette because there's a lot of cute little fall colors in here. So I'm going to go on with this color right here, which I already know is very pigmented. So I'm literally going to go in with just a tiny dab. Which, as you can see, I went in with a tiny dab and it's super pigmented. I'm going to go and apply my lashes. I forgot to put on my mascara before I apply my lashes. So this is just a CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume mascara. Apply that. For highlighter today, I'm using the Masterchrome Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter. I really like this highlighter. I'm just applying that to my cheekbone. I'm going to apply eyeliner. I'm going to do a small thin stripe of eyeliner. This is the e.l.f. liquid liner. Apply a little bit underneath my lash band. Now that my eyeliner is done, to finish off the look, I'm going to go back into the Morphe palette and I'm going to apply a little bit of this burgundy color right on my lower lash line. We're not done highlighting, so I'm going to do a slight highlight on my brow bone. And I'm going to go in and do an inner corner highlight as well. And to brighten that highlight up a little bit in the inner corner, I'm going to go into the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. I want that inner corner to be pretty bright. Alright, before I do my lips, I'm going to spray with some Bix Plus, set everything together. The coconut water one smells so good. We're going to finish off today's look with lips. I'm going to use this Kleancolor matte lip gloss. I don't know what the name of it is, but it's really pretty. Ugh, I just love this color. It's so pretty. When it dries down matte, it's just like perfect fall color. So what else do I need to do?